Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys an awesome video. I am kicking off my fall DIYs starting now. I know that you guys have been seeing a lot of fall videos that I've been pushing out on all three of my channels, but I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, yes, you want more fall, so I am going to be doing just that. So today I am going to be showing you guys like a little bit of my color scheme, the theme that I'm kind of going with for the fall, and it's going to be more of some neutral tones and different textures and wood and copper. I am stepping outside of the box this year, and I am stepping outside of the traditional box. I am not going to be doing any type of traditional colors this year. I don't know, we'll see, but as of now, I am going all neutral. I'm going with natural tones, woods, copper, lots of greens, lots of whites, creams, creamy tones, and rich tones. So I am super excited about that, and I hope that you guys are too. As you can see, I have my fall mug here with my tea, and I am so excited about this DIY. So this DIY that I'm going to be doing is, of course, a wreath. I want to show you guys how I'm going to be doing my fall wreath for the season this year, and also I have started my wreath making for my wreath line. And if you guys are ever interested in purchasing one of my wreaths, you can always comment down in the comment section and let me know, and I can give you all the information and details then. If you are new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Shushana. I do so many different things all across the board. I have 3 channels here on YouTube, and this is my DIY channel and lifestyle channel. I do lots of DIYs here and different types of crafts. I am a woodworker, so I will be throwing in a lot of woodworking as well on this channel. I do upload 3 days a week on this channel at 5 p.m. And also I have my newest channel, The Decorating Mama, where I do tons of decorating. So you will get all the DIYs here on this channel. And then over on my decor channel, you'll get all the decorating. Decorate with me, clean and decorate with me, shop and decorate with me, all the decorating. So for all the fall season, Christmas season, you're going to be seeing all the house tours, all the decorating over on that channel. And I do upload 3 days a week at 6 p.m. over there. I also have my cleaning channel, The Cleaning Queen, and I do cleaning motivations, decluttering and organization on that channel. So make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. I upload twice a week, every Saturdays and Mondays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's breathe. So I would love for you guys to go ahead and check me out. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss any of my episodes. Hit that bell twice and leave your comments down below, because I love having discussions and talking with you guys. Also, if you haven't followed me over on Instagram, I'm going to be putting my handle down here. I am at All Things Shushana over on Instagram, and we have tons of fun. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Okay, so now I am just kind of taking all the pumpkins and rearranging them on the wreath itself. I had previously made this wreath. I had some garland and I had a wreath vine, and I just went ahead and just made this wreath. And now I am hot gluing all the pumpkins on there, and also I'm going to be hot gluing the peonies on there as well. So I love the way that this wreath turned out, and I love the neutral tones and color that is on there. Honestly, I can leave this up for the entire fall Thanksgiving season, which is exactly what I am going to be doing. So I am just loving this neutral colors that I'm going to be using this season. I can pretty much add anything to this color scheme, and I am so excited about it. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys are excited about this neutral color scheme and also for all of the fall content that will be coming up.
Tiptoes, undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. Willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.